What is gender equality to me? It's political, social, economic equality with men, where women are treated the same way, where awarded the same opportunities, allowed to do the same jobs. A day that we're all allowed to live equally in this country would be a day where I could actually say there's gender equality in Sri Lanka. As young people, what we can really think about is, should the fight be our own? For example, should only women fight for women's rights? Why can't a man step forward and say the same thing? The biggest misconception is that for us to fight for something we believe in, we must be affected by it. And I don't agree with that at all. As young professionals of youth of Sri Lanka, we should all step forward and fight for something just because it's right, because we can do something and we can make a change. Do I face discrimination in my day-to-day life? I'm criticized daily for the way I live my life. I am criticized for doing things that a man would probably get a tap on the shoulder for. We're always, as women, put in a box, and if you decide at some point to step out of that box, you have society coming down on us. So I think as a woman, if you decide to do something different, we all make up our minds that we will be attacked and we will be discriminated for what we choose to do. But I hope one day when we have children and they come out into this world, that they won't have to face the same issues that we face. To increase representation of women in the decision making of this country, changing the legislation will obviously be a huge step for us. But I would also like to speak of the last general election, where when we saw the national lists of the main political parties, we had one party that had absolutely no women and another party that I think had one. I think it's not up to the women to always have to step forward to want to do something for the country. I think as politicians, as representatives of this party, we should step forward and look for women that could actually help change this country. So it's not just about women stepping forward. We should come forward and pull women out of the dark to help change the situation in this country.